So it's been a pretty overcast day today. A little bit of rain. Well, we had a little lull, and so I decided to gather some bamboo sticks and make this here so the dogs don't get in. I'm not sure if the spacing is exactly going to be right, but I believe it should do something. And along this little arc that I have here that you can kind of see dug out, I could see a little bit of green and have to investigate a little further exactly what those sprouts are. I've left my initial kind of marker right here. So, yeah, it's nice. We had a little bit of rain, so I won't be watering them today. And let's see if we can get it. I've cleaned it up a bit. Just looking for any kind of green. If you can spot it, let me know. These are all a little different though. Here's my little marker. And then just going up along these areas, I don't really see anything. And I'm wondering maybe if it kind of rolled down, the seed could have spilled down too. That's a total possibility. Anyways, one of the topics that kind of comes to mind is the notion of friendship and trust, keeping your word, things like that. And it's very different, shall I say. And how people react in earning trust. Nice background here now. And I just really have a hard time understanding how to build those instincts. So, doing the best I can while I'm here, and observing and making those realizations for myself to help me on my journey. Just as I'm sure it happens to you every now and then, those revelations. But yeah, it's a nice cool breeze. And this one tree has been actually coming out quite nice. It's been flowering. I don't know if you can see the color. I'll need a different angle. Yeah. Okay, have a good night.